Watch everybody around you. Please watch everybody. Your head should be on the swivel at all time. One, two, three. When I was in Chicago, we was raised up in Chicago, whatever, right? And we had to always have our head. Like my OG raised me, so she always would tell us like, look behind you, like every 10 seconds, like every 10 to 15 seconds, because in Chicago, people just pop up behind you, bro. Like all you like, say your head down, headphones on, bro. Sometimes you'll just hear some footsteps just right there. You know, my hug is right behind you. You know what I'm saying? You don't know their intentions. You never know. It's Chicago. It's like a big city. It's like New York. You don't know nobody's intentions. That's why everybody, if you realize everybody's walking fast to get to that, because when you're slow motion, something could go on. Something could happen. You never know. Do not be a victim of circumstance or be a victim of opportunity, because some people, they just see somebody lacking. I remember one time my little brother told me that he was at the ATM one time and he seen a car full of motherfuckers just, you feel me, like waiting for him to get the money and get behind him and shit. And he got up out of there because he knew it was sketchy. You know, when you see sketchy stuff like that, just move around. Don't wait for it to happen unless you want it to happen. Of course, if you want to get robbed, I guess. So don't wait. Don't wait for bad things to happen to you. You know, there's a lot of people out here, you know, that'll set you up. You know, if you got your sixth sense and you feel your energy's off, don't go with it. If sometimes when shit seems too good to be true, that's another one. If it's too good to be true, something's up. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I told people like this, the lottery. It's just you play the lottery, you win. That just sounds too good to be true, right? I'm gonna win $1 million tonight. Come on, bro. You know, I don't play the lottery. I used to, but I don't play that shit no more because I know the game. I'm like, nah, I just hit. Like, yes, people do win. I'm not gonna say people do not win, but the odds of you winning is very slim, and it's best off you keep your money. You know what I mean? Like, it's best you keep your money. So, back to the topic at hand. You know what I'm saying? I really want to talk about sabotage. There's a lot of people in this world that will sabotage your success. I've been sabotaged very at a young age, very, very young. And that's what made me, I'm not going to say it, completely cynical, you know what I'm saying, which means distrusting, untrusting of other individuals. But I'm also from the city. So I've always been untrusting of people because people around you would do stuff to you. They don't care if you're a mother. My mama got robbed in front of me. You know what I'm saying? She got 4 kids with her, robbed at gunpoint. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. It doesn't matter. Like you can't. You think people will be like, "Oh man, it's a granny. She's not gonna hurt that granny. It's a child. He's not gonna hurt that." They don't care. You gotta be cynical sometimes. Watch sabotage. I've been sabotaged multiple times at the same time, which is crazy in different areas of my life. And that's what kind of kept my head on the swivel of not trusting people, because the people I did trust, they the ones that did it to me. It's the people I trusted the most. Family. The family tried to sabotage me. Yep. I ain't gonna get too deep into it, but I just want to tell you that even family will do it to you. You know, they say if somebody was gonna kill you, right, it'll be somebody close to you. 9 times out of 10, if somebody kills you, it's someone you know. That's statistically. Look it up, man. For real. You can't trust everybody. I'm not gonna say live your life untrusting of everybody, but you cannot trust everybody. You know, run them through some tests. You know what I'm saying? Some loyalty tests. You know what I'm saying? Put them through the work, but still trust them. Or don't trust them. Shit, it's up to you. I've been sabotaged greatly in my life, and it really taught me a lot. It told me not to trust a lot of individuals. Taught me like, okay, make sure this person legit before you let them into your personal life. Make sure this person's legit before you allow him to see your kids or meet your girl. Make sure you know this person's intent before you start hanging with them too much. You know what I'm saying? Most of the people I hang around, my friends I hang around, I've been hanging around for years, probably like almost 10 years plus. Facts. It ain't nobody around me right now that I ain't hung out with that I ain't been around for 10 years already. So my niggas vetted. Facts. All my niggas vetted. I know how they think. I know how they move. And that's good. You should, and they should know how I move. You know what I'm saying? No good, no bad intentions, all good shit. You know what I'm saying? You know, their political views might be off. You know what I'm saying? But they still good people at the end of the day. So all my people I'm vetted in a tight circle. The older you get, the tighter that circle get, man. I had motherfuckers double crossing. That was my buddies out in high school, and you know what I'm saying? I don't really fuck with them no more, but it is what it is. Like, you know, it's like when they say loaning their money, some money, and and it disappear on you. Yes. Or you ever heard the saying? It's a saying: if you don't want your friend no more, loan him some money. It's gonna mess with the relationship. He ain't gonna pay you back. It's just things motherfuckers do. Also, like if you know, don't take your friends. If you take your friends to Miami, they're gonna come back not friends. Never heard that? Yeah, that shit real, bro. First time going too. You know what I'm saying? Them niggas I don't really hear from no more. You know what I'm saying? I know girls go through this shit all the time. Where you going on a trip, motherfuckers ain't got money. Ooh. You ever went on a friend's trip and the motherfucker ain't got money? Can't trust motherfuckers. They assume that they did. You know, they act like they do, and they didn't. It is what it is. You know what I mean? This video ain't about that. This video about sabotage, man. I've been sabotaged greatly about my housing, on my job, told to by the police, my school and shit been sabotaged all at the same time. At the same time. And family did all that shit. They did it all. You feel me? Crazy, G. It made a warrior out of me. It made me stronger. It made me protect my heart. It made me protect my brain and told me, hey, stop fucking around with this motherfucker, man. We don't have time to be playing around and playing these games. We don't have time for that. Motherfuckers just tried to sabotage you. It's really like as if motherfuckers tried to put a hit on your life. You know what I'm saying? It's like somebody tried to set you up and they was unsuccessful and then they disappear. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the revengeful type of person. I'm more of a successful type of person. So it is what it is at the end of the day, because you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day, it's family, right? That's what they say. So I'm gonna let them do what they're gonna do. Success is my cup of tea. Success and money and showing them how, hey, y'all turned y'all back on a nigga. This is your get back. Now you guys see me shine. Now I gotta live my life without you. Now I gotta you can't see my kids grow. You feel me? You can't see me get married. Me and my girl, you damn near dismissed from my life. No more shit. For the motherfuckers that did it, of course. No more progression of my life to you. You won't know a thing about me. And I will deliberately remove it from you. You know what I'm saying? You don't get to sabotage somebody's life when he's done great by you. And then you want to see him grow. You think that, yeah, and no apology, of course. You want to see him grow. You want to see his kids. No, man. I wouldn't want that. That's like, let me switch it up. That's like me betray my brother, try to get him whacked. He found out it's me. He take it on the chin. He don't do nothing about it, but he dismissed me. He don't want to fuck with me no more. He don't want me to see his kids no more. Kids I used to hang with. You know what I'm saying? He don't want me to see his wife. No celebration, no holidays, no nothing. Come on, man. And I don't apologize to the man. That's how I just reversed it. I wouldn't expect nothing like less. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't expect nothing less. So when motherfuckers sabotage you, it is what it is at the end of the day. But can you stand on all four? You know what I'm saying? I had a team behind me. That's why I ain't fall. You know what I'm saying? I had some soldiers behind me. That's why I ain't fall. I couldn't. I had no choice. I couldn't fall, bro. If I fell, I would have not got up. I couldn't allow myself to fall. I had so much warriors in me. I had a warrior in me. I had motherfucking warriors around me. You know what I'm saying? I had a crew. That's because I vetted the individuals I put around me and they made sure I didn't fall. They made sure I stayed on my P's and Q's. Motherfuckers could not do that no more. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, what can you tell me? You can't really tell me shit. So when motherfuckers be trying to teach me these life lessons and shit, like, yeah, I listen to you, but if it's about like sabotage and do this, do that, bro, I know that. But I ain't against listening to you. I'll listen to you for sure. But you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it just takes a simple apology. You hear me? That's how simple I am. Not saying you still gonna see my people. You still ain't gonna see my kids and shit grow up. But at least you get to clear your conscience. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Shit like that, man. Sabotage, man. And it be your own people, man. I never think like I don't hold people I don't know the standards. It's the people I do know and I've known for years and been helping out for years that I hold to standards. You know what I'm saying? My homies, I hold them to a standard, you know what I'm saying? My family, I hold them to a certain standard. And they cross them standards, then it's like, damn, bro, you knew better. You knew you weren't supposed to do that. It's like your homie hitting on your bitch. You know what I'm saying? When you dip out the room, he knew he wasn't supposed to do that. You know what I'm saying? It's like a motherfucker planted some drugs on you, or threw the gun under the seat. Police pull you over. He knew he wasn't supposed to do that, man. By the way, motherfuckers tried to do that to me. You know what I mean? Yeah, we got away with that. But at the end of the day, motherfuckers tried to throw shit under my seat. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck going on in the back seat. You know what I'm saying? I stopped letting motherfuckers ride in the back. Can't do it. You know, you live and you learn. That's some shit that could fuck your life up if shit go bad. That's some shit that can fuck your life up if you allowed it and your eyes wasn't on what you needed to get it on. Imagine, imagine you driving, 12 pull you over. Motherfucker got a pistol on. You didn't even know you had a pistol on him because most niggas that's driving the car with pistols, that's dirty. You don't know, and they probably won't tell you. Then you find out when buddy pulling you over. He tucked that bitch under your seat. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers pull you out, get to searching it, but they happen to not find it. Luckily, because buddy gonna tell them that it ain't his. And guess who car is in? Is in your car. Sabotage. Is in your car. You never knew he had it on him, and he tucked it under his seat before the police pulled you out. Come on now. You gotta watch who you around, man. For real. So being cynical ain't too bad. If somebody tell me they cynical, like, okay, it depends on who made you that way and why and what's the reason exactly. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna blame motherfucker for being cynical. Hey, that's you. This is your life. Why would you trust somebody? Somebody can set you up. Somebody can do you in. Do you love your life? I ain't trusting nobody then. Fuck is you saying? So that's the message of the day, boy. It's your boy Angelo So Savage, man. Tune with me, bro. Cause you know I'm out here. Y'all see this one? I'm looking good in this bed. You hear me? More videos coming soon, man. Stay on your P's and Q's. That's all I'm trying to tell you. Young kid from Chicago, man. Stay on your P's and Q's. It ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. It takes one dummy to end you, you know. So always keep your head on the swivel. Always be looking for trouble and avoid it. You know, even in road rage accidents, don't man. Avoid that stuff, bro. You know, keep your sanity. Don't think everybody's doing good by you, but always and always have your head on the swivel. It's your boy Angelo So Savage. I'm out here. Peace.